what would be your biggest strength, your biggest weakness, your biggest opportunity, and your biggest threat?
Lina, I feel each one of us needs to be aware of our SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. And in fact, it will help us to understand ourselves better, and it will help us to take better decisions. It's not about making the right choice. It's all about making a choice and then making it right. So to begin with the first alphabet of strength, Lina, my strength has been to dive into the unknown and explore how it can be leveraged. I can always decide to do something instantly and then go ahead with full might. And during this journey, Lina, focus and confidence helps me. When I get into a new sector, I dig deep within 30 days. That's my benchmark of time. Within 30 days, I need to master that topic and learn as much as possible on the new subject. Lina, I feel knowledge can't be compromised. You're a great propagator about knowledge. I know about it, but I also accept the fact that knowledge can't be compromised. That's the base for any way forward. My strength is working with entrepreneurs and in collaborations. And that's why I love the journeys where I work with entrepreneurs in different walks of life. Going to the second alphabet, W, which is weakness. Lina, my weakness is instant decisions. I love to decide on the spot. Many times it helps me, but many times it also helps the opposite side. I never like to delay decisions. You've seen me working, Lina. I never like to delay decisions.
That's very often I want to push you back and say, slow down.
Sometimes it's good, Lina. Sometimes it's bad. But deciding on the spot is my weakness. I can't resist a quick decision. I never like to delay a decision. It is plus, it is minus, but I try to balance and learn out of what I've decided. The third alphabet that you asked is opportunities. The O is opportunities, Lina. I love to create opportunities. For some people, opportunities come their way. But for a person like me, I love to create my own opportunities, Lina. So my first-hand and on-the-job experience in various sectors has opened up multiple opportunities for me in the sectors of education, real estate development, e-commerce, fashion, hospitality, and also food sector. So I always look at global opportunities, Lina. For me, the world is global, which is a combination of local plus global opportunities. So I cannot think small. I cannot think local. For me, global is my local. Going to the last point that you said, the T of the SWOT, that is threats. Lina, impatience to do a lot in a very fast time, in a very short time, has become a threat on my decisions at times. For business, any geographic location does not deter me. I do not get scared on which part of the world I'm going to be operating my business or which part of the country I'm going to be operating my business. That can be a threat at times, as business dynamics are different in different places. Calculation of the perception of the capabilities of a person or entity or a relationship can also go wrong. So that is also a threat to me. I calculate working with somebody on the perception of the capabilities of the person or the entity or a relationship, but it can go wrong. So that's always a threat to me. And this is always a threat which is always in store.